In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links to Klaviyo email templates. Adding links is one of the most important parts of any email, whether you're sending people to your website, a product page, a sign-up form, or a piece of content. In Klaviyo, there are two main ways to do this, using regular text links, also called hyperlinks, and using button links. I'll walk you through both step by step so you can quickly add them to any email you're designing. Let's start with text links. These are links that are attached directly to words or sentences inside your email. First, click into your text block and type the words you want to make clickable. This could be something like shop now, learn more, or even a full sentence. Once you've typed it out, use your mouse to highlight the exact portion of text you want to turn into a link. It's important to highlight only what you want clickable, because Klaviyo will apply the link just to that selection. As soon as the text is highlighted, you should see a small floating toolbar appear just above it. On that toolbar, look for the chain link icon. This is the standard symbol for inserting a link. Go ahead and click that icon. A small field or pop-up will appear labeled link or something very similar. This is where you paste the URL you want people to visit when they click. Make sure you include the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, especially if you're copying it from your browser. Once the URL is in place and looks correct, click Apply. Your highlighted text is now a clickable link. It's a good idea to use the preview feature or send a test email to yourself and confirm that the link opens the right page. Now let's move on to button links. Buttons tend to stand out more and are great for primary calls to action, like complete your purchase, or get started. In the Klaviyo email editor, look at the sidebar where all the content blocks are listed. Find the button block, then drag and drop it into your email layout wherever you want it to appear. After dropping it in, click directly on the button in your layout to open its settings in the sidebar. In the button settings, you'll see a field labeled URL or link address. This works just like the text link field. Paste the full URL you want the button to point to into that field. Again, double-check that it's correct. You can also update the button text to match your call to action. For example, change the default label to something more specific and action-oriented, like View Collection, Download Now, or Book a Call. Clear button text helps subscribers understand exactly what will happen when they click. Once you've set your URL and updated the text, preview your email or send a test to make sure both your text links and your buttons work as expected. That's all you need to add clickable links to your Klaviyo email templates using both hyperlinks and buttons.